people, welcome to another video with Allsortz. Check out the Nissan Pulsar GTi-R. Should do a few donuts. If you want to see it, check out my social media. Anyways, in today's video we purchased some bespoke mats for the Nissan GTi-R. We also had the tints done. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you check out the previous video on my Allsortz channel, and make sure you subscribe, as I've got a lot of videos planned with this car. So as you would know if you see my social media, you know I purchased some bespoke mats for the car because it hasn't got any. Well, it did have, but they need some proper mats. Now the original OEM ones are really expensive, so what I've actually got is some bespoke mats. Now I've also had my name printed on as well, so that is the passenger side. Here is the back and also the middle where the hump goes, and this one is the driver's side, and this is where I actually put the printing on my Allsortz name printed on the driver's side. So yeah, what do you think of my bespoke mats for the Nissan Pulsar GTi-R? Let's fit the back ones on. So first of all, I'm going to put this one here. This is where the hump goes. You can actually just push it down. This small one here goes on top, so we'll make sure, and the big one goes onto this side. We're going to make sure it fits nice and slow. The back mats for the Nissan Pulsar GTi-R. Let's do the front. Time for the passenger side. Yes, the car does need a clean, but I wanted to make the video just to show you guys that you can actually get bespoke mats instead of spending your money on the OEM ones, which are really expensive. So that is the passengers. Let's do the driver's side. Right, here we go. Does anyone like the printing? Should I choose the different color? Oh, is the color all right? But yeah, put that in here and that should fit nicely. Look at that. Nice and snug, straight into the footwell of the Nissan Pulsar. So that's the driver's side, that's the passengers, and we've got the back ones already put in as well. So you can purchase these online for any car fitment of car, just choose your car. But overall it looks really nice. That's another modification on, well, a little modification on my Nissan Pulsar. What do you think, people? Tints are looking good. Should I do something about this freshly on tread marks and foot marks? Well, just a bit there, snow. Let me know in the comments. If you want to see any other videos, do let me know in the comments what videos idea you should do. If you haven't seen the Nissan Pulsar playlist, make sure you check that out for the videos. It's only a short video just to show you the mats, but I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you check out my social media, as I always put up all the sneak peeks on there. Yeah, check that out. What a beast. Anyway, thanks again for watching. I'll see you again for another video.